Lochani, my name is Thando Mahlangu, your IsiNdebele lecture. Yes, welcome into learning another important words in IsiNdebele. Kokuthoma, when you say umabhalana, umabhalana it's a secretary. Umabhalana it's a secretary. Umatshingelani it's a security. It's a security officer, someone who's doing a security job. In IsiNdebele city ngumatshingelani. Umabhoko it's one of the Ndebele kings. Tina we say yingwenyama. Umabhoko yingwenyama, one of the Ndebele kings. When I say awa indaba le imabhombo, when you say imabhombo, you mean it's big, it's huge, it's the biggest news, or it's a very confused subject. Yes, imabhombo. When you say mateketu, you are surprised. Mateketu, bababe. Whatever it is that you are hearing or seeing, it's surprising you. It surprises you. So that's why you'll use the words like mateketu, bababe. Yes. Mafundana. Umafundana, it's an amateur. Someone who doesn't know the job, but they are learning that particular job. When someone have put an L driver in the car that they are driving, we will say, "Aye, kumafundana lo." So now you know that particular person is an amateur when it comes to that particular thing. Mahala namkhana smahla, it means for free. Mahala, it means free. Smahla, it means free. You get me, Mus? I believe, Guti, you've managed to grab this one that I just spoke about. Mahala and smahla, they both mean for free. Umahlalela class, it's someone who is not working, someone who's not doing anything with their time, someone who's not waking up and be motivated to do something. That particular person in IsiNdebele, ngesiNdebele, we are saying ngumahlalela. Did you get that one? Umahlalela namkhana ngumahlalela, it's someone who is not working. Then we are gonna jump now. When we say umaliledinini, it's a cell phone. Umaliledinini is a what? It's a cell phone. Yes, that's correct. When I say I need to answer umaliledinini wam, it means I have to answer this phone call. I have to answer the phone. Umaliledinini, it's a cell phone. When I say unamala, it means you are lying. Nangiti, I'm telling you the truth. NgesiNdebele, it's gonna be ngiqinisile. I'm telling you the truth. NgesiNdebele, ngiqinisile. Say it slow. Ngiqinisile. Yes, that's correct. You got it right. So now we're gonna be doing this one for closing. When I say to you, amalungelo, amalungelo, it's right. Amalungelo, it's equals to rights. Amalungelo, in English, it's rights. Let's meet again on episode 11. Thank you.